our beloved students. It's been long since we have met each other in our comfort space, the classrooms. The empty desks and the silent corridors have consistently reminded us how significant you are in our lives. You compliment us with your innocence, with your curiosity, and with your energy to persevere. Your determination manifests within us. You make us better teachers and, most importantly, better human beings. Every year, we celebrate 14th November as a tribute to India's first Prime Minister, Jawaharlal Nehru, who advocated for children to have all-rounded education. Due to his holistic vision, we have been blessed with the chance to guide you through the path. Today, we celebrate you, our dear students, without whom we would have amounted to nothing. In lieu with the celebration, we have prepared a few tokens of love. The wrap of the token will be unfurled by Dhanush.
Good morning, children. We wish you a healthy, happy life. We are confident you will tide over the present pandemic distressful days with courage. Cheer up all. Soon you will play with your friends. Your past difficult days will toughen you better to fight for the future. Challenges in the future will be quite tough. So, these last 2 years have been a different style of education for you, of ground realities. Accept your past without regrets, handle your present with confidence, and face your future without fear. Good versus bad will always be there. Many ill temptations will come your way. You have to make your own choice with responsibility for yourself. Choose for yourself a good social status. We love you. God bless you, children. Be happy, be good.
But now, get ready with the rhythm of the fusion group dance. The dancers here are a grand surprise for you. So sit back to experience that excitement.
പുഞ്ചിരി തഞ്ചി കൊഞ്ചിക്കോ മുന്തിരി മുത്തൊളി ചിന്തിക്കോ മഞ്ചണി വർണ്ണ ചുന്ദരി വാവേ കാങ്കിണ്ണക്ക തകതിമിയാടും തങ്കനിലാവേ പുഞ്ചിരി തഞ്ചി കൊഞ്ചിക്കോ മുന്തിരി മുത്തൊളി ചിന്തിക്കോ മഞ്ചണി വർണ്ണ ചുന്ദരി വാവേ കാങ്കിണ്ണക്ക തകതിമിയാടും തങ്കനിലാവേ
These performances as much as we have enjoyed preparing them for you. Now it's time for you to swing your heads to the group song.
Children everywhere for you and me. Happy children. We need an education, yes we do. We need food and water too. All these things are important to see for children everywhere, for you and me.
Now, last but not the least, get ready to groove with the beats of the group folk dance. And there is one viral song that might make you dance with us as well. Hey, don't go yet. We are not done. Dikshit sir has a few words to share.
Good morning, students. I would like to wish you, on the occasion of Children's Day, which you wait for from the beginning of the year. This is a very important day to you all, and why it's celebrated, I think you all are familiar about it. So this is not the time to give a big lecture on it. Just I want to entertain you with the help of few चुटकुलाज in Hindi. Okay? So हिंदी में बोलेंगे. टीचर जी ने स्टूडेंट से पूछा, क्या तुम चीनी भाषा बोल सकते हो? तो स्टूडेंट थोड़ा सकपकाया, इसके बाद उत्तर दिया, हाँ हाँ बिल्कुल बोल सकते हैं, बशर्ते वो चीनी भाषा जो है वो इंग्लिश या हिंदी में लिखी हो. ओके. दूसरा चुटकुला है, पिताजी ने अपने बेटे से कहा, बेटा देखो रमेश वो जुआ खेलता था और वो बर्बाद हो गया. जुआ ऐसा चीज़ है कि आज आदमी जीतेगा, कल हारेगा, फिर परसों जीतेगा, फिर उसके बाद हारेगा, जीत हार लगा रहेगा और अल्टीमेटली लालच बढ़ता जाएगा और अंत में एक समय ऐसा आता है कि आदमी सब कुछ हार के बर्बाद हो जाता है. तो बेटा थोड़ा बदमाश था जो है, तो तपाक से उत्तर दिया जो है कि पिताजी ठीक है, मैं भी जुआ खेलूंगा लेकिन रमेश की तरह नहीं. मैं एक एक दिन छोड़ छोड़ के जुआ खेलूंगा. एक दिन जीतूंगा, फिर दूसरे दिन नहीं खेलूंगा, फिर तीसरे दिन जीतूंगा, फिर चौथे दिन नहीं खेलूंगा. इस तरह से मैं हमेशा जीतता रहूंगा जो है. और एक चुटकुला और है आप लोगों को, लास्ट वन. एक आदमी कार से ड्राइविंग कर रहा था, जा रहा था. कार की स्पीड बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं थी और एक तोता उड़ते हुए आया और कार से टकरा गया. और तोता छोटा जीव, कार से टकराने के बाद वो गिर गया बेहोश होके. तो उस कार वाले को दया आ गई, वो तोता को उठाया और ले गया अपने घर की जगह में, उसको आराम से सुलाया, कुछ खाने खिलाने की कोशिश किया लेकिन वो खा नहीं सका. फिर भी उसको इस कंफर्टेबल पोजीशन में रखना चाहा. जब 2-3-4 घंटे बाद बेहोशी से तोते को होश आया और उसकी आँख खुली जो है, तो कहा, आइला ओ बाबा, मैं तो जेल लमा के बच्चे. हाँ, क्या हुआ? वो कार वाला जो हमसे टकराया था वो मर गया क्या? ओके, थैंक यू ऑल. Once again, I wish a very happy Children's Day to all of you. Thank you very much.
All that you have witnessed is a result of hours of rehearsal. Amidst the rush of taking your classes and grading your classwork and homework assignments, we all practiced and challenged ourselves in our comfort zones and created something special for every one of you, because that's how special you are to us. I hope you all have liked our token of love and that you're happy to see us in a different shape than usual. Let's hope that the world heals quicker and these classrooms are no more empty, the corridors are no more silent. Till then, we will always be here for you, and we are sending you lots of love and a shower of blessings.